Well, in Pakistan, unfortunately, our beginnings are not very healthy. But still, we are hopeful. We are not pessimistic about it. We are optimistic. We are hopeful. But right now, current situation on ground that we are not, it's not very healthy. We have got more than 10,000 mother die every year during pregnancy. More than 270,000 newborn baby die every year. Just imagine the number. 10,000 women. Just because they die one by one, no noise, no media coverage, silently, in every nooks and corners of Pakistan. So there's no hue and cry. 10,000. Just imagine, on the contrary, if these, 0.1% of these women were to be died in different circumstances, there would have been, the whole sky would have been fallen, right? And these women, these human life, it's not that we could not have saved, we cannot save, we will not be able to save. That's not an issue. The world is a way ahead of us saving these lives. I was just looking at the numbers. In every 10,000 pregnancy cases, we lose 400 mothers. Whereas as compared to a very civilized society, the ratio is 1. On 10,000 women, the ratio of death is 1 only. 1 as compared to 400. So the beginning is, unfortunately, is not very healthy. But we are optimistic, we are hopeful, we are confronting with this situation. We don't have to blame. I'm here not to cast blame on any of the circumstances or past or whatever today is. Our aim and objective is to just improve the situation what we are today. And we, inshallah ta'ala, we will in coming days. Because all these loopholes, all these pulling out the resources for the right direction with the help of WHO, I think we should be able to save more lives of mother and children. We have got 38% stunting growth. Just imagine, a kid is growing, the stunting. 38% is a huge number. So all these economic development which we claim, all these indicators, all these future economic growth of anticipated growth of Pakistan will be eroded within. Because all these kids, when they will grow up, they will be a liability on the society, right? They won't be able to get job, they won't be able to study, they won't be able to play a positive role in the society. So all these future development which we expect, which we are forecasting, these stunted growth, stunted kids are going to erode the entire country's system within. But let me just share with you that today, when it comes to the ownership of these situations, these health facilities from the top level of Pakistan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, I'm really satisfied and happy and glad to share with you that Mr. Shehbaz Sharif, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, if not the topmost priority, but one of the top priority is the health sector. And when I had not even resumed my charge here in Islamabad, I got the news through the media that I was given an assignment for this health ministry. I was in Karachi. That was a weekend, Friday. But yet I got a call from the Prime Minister House that Prime Minister is convening a meeting on a weekend, on a holidays from Lahore. So you better join on video conferencing. I joined that meeting. So no moment has been lost. No opportunity is being missed to do the better for this society in a health sector. Because if we won't have a very pleasant beginning and safe beginning from the childhood, at the time of the birth of a baby, we won't be able to say that we are going to have a very promising society. We are going to have a very positive society or healthy society in upcoming days. So on behalf of the people of Pakistan, I must thank WHO.